The length of the loading platform needs to be at least 3.5 meter, excluding slopes, and the width needs at least 0.5 meter for both sides. In order to avoid collision with the top of the container, it is necessary to keep the drilling rig tracks as close as possible to the loading platform, to prevent the drilling rig head from tilting and causing the chimney of the drilling rig to collide with the top of the container. When loading and unloading, it is necessary to operate the middle handle with a small amplitude and slow operation. Any other handles and buttons are prohibited from operation.